Two sets. One of the slim bodies, wide body wheels. Okay, let me send you some pictures. Give me a few minutes. Okay, baby. Sorry, y'all, but you know what? They get part of the day. This is Jay Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOCAT. We are on our way out to Houston, Texas, to go pick up a beautiful surprise of a car. Very rare, very unique. I can't even tell you how excited. We're taking delivery of this car today. I'm with my nephew today, man, all the way from New Jersey, y'all, because this is a prize gem, and we're gonna go take delivery of this car today. First of all, we're hoping to buy it as long as everything checks out with the car. We got the, where's the money at?
The bag is over here.
Show them the money. Let them see that we're not playing with, you know, none of that other stuff. We ain't playing around. Look, let's flip this out here, man. I got my security guard with me, so we good. But just so y'all know,
the bag over here.
We got the money, cash money there, ready to go.
Show you it, but
no, we'll show y'all over there when we start pop. But long story short, we're gonna go check out this car, man. It's a very rare car. I'm not gonna tell you what it is because I want you to kind of just watch the video and understand what's going on, man. But it's a privilege and honor. One of my favorite imports ever. And my nephew bought it, and he came in, he flew in from New Jersey last night. We're taking off to Houston in the expo to go pick it up. Shout out to Jason Delay for the trailer usage. We use his trailer to pick it up, man. But we're gonna go get this car, man, and I can't wait for y'all to see this. This is a very unique, this is a gem. This is a very, very rare gem. And when I get there and I show you the car, I'll explain to you guys why it's such a rare gem. Stay tuned. We'll be driving to Houston, so I'm gonna be paying attention to the roads, obviously. When I get there, I'll show y'all the welcome to Houston and so on. But stay tuned, man, because this is gonna be an epic car purchase today. All right, guys, so I'm at the fuel center right now, getting ready to take off to Houston. Again, shout out to Jason Delay for letting us use this trailer, man. I love his trailer. I'm gonna upgrade mine. Has the winch, has the low profile ramp for the low profile car, which y'all see. It is perfect. Got the spare tire, got everything on this bad boy. But this is going, and of course the Expedition, this is my truck. She's pulling her all the way to go pick up this car to Houston and back, y'all. So I'm gonna be honest with you. This car really surprised me, my truck, due to the fact that it's the EcoBoost V6. She's 400 horsepower. It's the Platinum Max edition of the Expedition, so this is a cycle to Suburban. And that thing on gas mileage is ridiculously good, but now with the trailer, we'll find out what it really is. So the last time I went to Houston with her, I filled up in Houston and came back and I still had a half a tank. That's pretty impressive for a big SUV. Now with the trailer, the car, and we're gonna see exactly what it is that she's gonna take to get from Houston back. But I think we should be all right with maybe a tank and a half, and go get the car from Houston, y'all. But when I'm telling y'all that I left on a Saturday, which is today, and I don't usually put my dates on there because of course we got to edit these videos, and by the time y'all see them, it's a couple days old. But I can only tell you that we took off from work to go get this car because it's such a rare gem, y'all. It is imported from Japan, so she is a right-hand drive, and it is one of my favorite imports of all times, to be honest with you, man. Of course I like the Skylines and all the car, but this car has always been a unique car because it had, for its time, when this car first came out, it came out in overseas in 92. It came to the United States in 93. If y'all know about cars, you probably know what I'm talking about before I reveal it. But when it came here, I went to the dealership to go see this car because the body lines are amazing. Interior, the power, the twin turbo. It is a beautiful, beautiful car, very famous car. And we have the privilege of being able to go grab one today with my nephew, man, that this is a dream car, you know what I'm saying? So he called me, said coming out from New Jersey out here. He literally flew in the same day. Like, he talked to me on Thursday, Friday he was here. And long story short, we're heading out to go pick up this car. But guys, I am very, very, very excited for this car because it's one of my favorite cars. It's a dream car, and we're about to go get this car here and introduce you to it, y'all. So fueled up, just got filled up, on our way out, y'all. Guys, so we have made it to the area, but I want to show y'all. We are in the middle of the country, y'all, like deep down country. I don't even know how many houses are available out here. I got nowhere to run for help if I need it. Like, we're in the country, like deeply, man. But you know what? We're about to introduce y'all to the toy. Hopefully everything checks out and works out, man. And my nephew be taking home a bad, very rare car, y'all. So right now we're driving here in the country. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit where we at, and then we'll go from there. How you doing,
Hey,
Kyle?
I'm Kyle.
These are the young men who have the vehicle, and I love what I've seen right here, man. Like, what? This is beautiful. That's your other toy?
No, it's his.
That's your toy.
It's his thing.
That's a beautiful toy, man. Very, very beautiful toy. Oh, I love the inside of this thing too. Gorgeous car, man. Gorgeous car. Let's see what we got going on here. I love this area.
Yeah, we wanted a little bit of land.
No, you got the land. We got a couple of them in here. Beautiful. So you track this one?
This is my son's.
Gorgeous car. And this one is? And that's the girl. Alrighty, y'all, because this is the baby girls that he's looking at. Let's take a look at it and see everything that's going on with her. And see if she comes home, y'all. So we're going to call you guys back in a minute so I can get this going on. All right, crew. So at this point in time, we inspected the vehicle. This young man has been awesome to the fullest. You have an Instagram page, man?
No.
No Instagram. How you social media?
No, I'm old, man.
But you do all what you deal with is the rotaries.
I deal with Facebook. I mean, I'm on Facebook, but I don't really mess with it. It's just
It's a little hobby.
Yeah. Like I do this for fun. You know, like I said, I got the Supra, I've got the other.
You got some badass toys.
Yeah, I've got other toys. It's just for me, this is the pinnacle car. It's always been my favorite. So I always have to keep them in my collection.
Yes,
You know,
and I agree with you in the collection. So
They come
for you guys, I mean, I know that you know more about this car than anybody else here right now. Tell us a little bit about why this car is a pinnacle car. I told him coming here that when this car first came to the US in '93, I went to dealership to see it. I was interested. I'm Puerto Rican. We love rotaries. We know that. But this car changed everything. The first gen, then they got the second gen with the Turbo 2, which is an amazing car. But this car was my favorite. Tell us what is it that makes these cars so special from all the other gens?
I mean, the FD generation, 93 to 99, like I said, or 93 to 02 technically. But this generation, like I said, revolutionized the FDs, you know, from the FC platform. You know, the twin turbo sequential setup that came on these was nice. The CYM, this exact model that you're looking at, is the rarest, like we talked about, the rarest color that they made that was offered for these
Which is that yellow.
Yep, the R1 model with, like I said, they got the upgraded shocks, the dual oil coolers, the adjustable sway bars, the suede seats. You know, some of the options that came on these were just, you know, they were the best ones out there. And if you were going to get an FD, 2,700 pounds, I've driven modern cars. This is the most driver feedback inspired car. If you want to know where the front wheel is, this car, closest I think I probably found is Evo 10. You know, Evo 10 does have really good driver feedback, but this car, it feels light. I mean, I drive a Supra, I've driven GTRs, I've had them all, and they're good cars. They're more touring cars. This is the sports car version. None of the other JDM supercars, short of maybe the NSX, carried that sports car feel. And you won't find a better handling car for driver feedback than the FD.
And this is her, y'all. So this one is actually, we're about to close up this deal and take her home. But this is the car that we came out to grab, y'all. It is, I'm gonna introduce you a little bit more to it now that we're at the situated. But y'all, the interior is a right-hand drive for the young man. He is going to love it. Like all he said, the suede seats, everything here, this is the car, y'all. It's a very rare car, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this deal closed out, put it on the trailer. I'll call you back shortly. Alrighty guys, so we got the car. We're about to load her up on the trailer and take her back to Dallas. We are literally, I don't even know where we are by Houston. This is country, but it's definitely a beautiful place, but we're about to load up this bad boy on the trailer and get ready to go back. Let me show y'all the baby girl car. So that is the FD. So what makes this car so unique, it was one of my favorite RX7s, but this is a Japanese version. So this has the drivers on the passenger side of the vehicle. This car, for its age, is extremely immaculate. This is a very rare car. This car is only going to go up in value, and my nephew can't get the grin off his face because he just bought an FD. Well, show him your phone so they can see how much you. Cause let me tell y'all something about faith and manifestation, y'all. When you believe in something long enough and you really want something long enough and you put pictures of it and you put it as a goal, you will have it. So when we look at his phone, he's had the screensaver with the yellow FD on it, as you can see. Hold on.
Had it with the yellow FD.
The yellow FD. How long you've had that screensaver?
I had it for almost about 2 years now.
About 2 years you've had that on your car. And then from the screen, you now have the car here, y'all. So welcome to the new FD. We don't have a name for her yet. I can't wait to see the process of this car, but there's not really much to do. The car is immaculately clean, and it is coming back to Dallas to get itself a tow or transported out to New Jersey. And I got a question. When it says this F&E here, what does that mean, Bobby?
F&E, so they had a line where usually with these RX7s, if you ever seen the F&E, which in other words is for infinity, you would see on usually the FBs, the FCs, and FDs in Japan.
Okay.
So F&E was just a certain type of RX7 that they sold. And
It's a trim level.
not really a trim level.
Because this is an R.
This is a Type R. This is a Type R, but it's an F&E.
F&E, yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, I mean, the car is immaculate. God, let me walk y'all through now that we have it on our own. But look at this car. Door panels, immaculate. Smooth texture for y'all that do know that the 93s in US had texture. This is smooth. Both sides, that's all original. Original seat with the suede. All the upgrades. Pop the trunk here, so they can see how clean of a car you just got. So look at this, guys. We did all this before pre-video, but just so y'all could go to get. We moved everything here, all original spare tire down here. Watch, let me show y'all. Original spare tire. We went through all this, make sure there's no accidents. Original carpets, original plastics. We went through everything on this car, all original, y'all. So this is a very rare find for. Hold on, let me put this in right. This is a very rare find for a RX-7 at this gen. No accidents, nothing at all. Now I'm over at the hood so y'all can see that. And this is a rotary, y'all. So this has a different kind of, it's not pistons, this is what they call rotary. I'm gonna show you what that is like right now to get this out for y'all. I am loving it. I'm jealous, to be honest with you. I love it. Where's the little handle here, Papa? Right here?
Yeah, it's up there.
There we go. We just popped that one up. And now this is the rotary engine. 13B twin turbo original car stickers. I mean, guys, this car is super immaculate. You can't ask for a better car. I mean, you really can't buy a car this original. The plastics in the bottom, like every relay, every fuse, every cover, everything in this car is completely original. And it is a Japanese version of this car. So this is a very rare car that is going to make a lot of heads turn as he starts developing this car. But guys, shout out to my nephew. You killed it, Neff. You killed it. Flew in from Jersey, found it in Texas, came here, picked it up. He made the dream work. I can only tell you I'm proud of him. I know when he gets back there, he can be cooler than what he looked right now with his FD RX7 here, man, just killing it. And now we're about to take it back home and see what happens, y'all. So at this point in time, I'm going to, well, I can either end the video now, or I can see the reaction from, I'm not gonna end it. When we take it home, I wanna see the reaction from the family. They see this build, y'all. Stay tuned.